Did you know that the culinary industry employs over 15.3 million people in the United States alone? Imagine an industry so vast, so diverse, it houses not just chefs and sous chefs, but also food critics, dietitians, and many more. The culinary world has seen a significant growth thanks to a rising interest in gourmet and specialty foods. It's a world teeming with opportunities, a world waiting to be explored. So, if you've ever considered donning an apron and exploring the world of culinary arts, you're certainly not alone. Every culinary journey starts with mastering the basics. Indeed, the world of cooking can seem vast and intimidating, but it all boils down to a few fundamental techniques. Let's take a look at some of them. First and foremost, knife skills. It's not just about chopping and slicing, it's about precision, safety, and speed. Next, sautéing. This technique is a quick way to cook and sear your ingredients while preserving their flavor, texture, and color. It's the backbone of many a delicious dish, from stir-fries to sautéed veggies. Lastly, let's talk about making a roux. This mixture of fat and flour serves as a thickening agent in many sauces and soups. It's a simple technique, but one that can make or break a dish. But remember, these techniques aren't mastered overnight. It takes practice and patience to refine them. Remember, even the most celebrated chefs had to start somewhere. Don't rush the process and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to take your culinary skills to the next level. As you navigate through the world of food, you'll encounter a myriad of techniques that can transform your dishes from good to great. Let's delve into a few of these. Consider sous vide cooking, a method that involves vacuum sealing food in a bag and cooking it to a precise temperature in a water bath. It's a game changer. It ensures that the food is cooked evenly, retaining its juices and achieving a perfect texture. Then there's the art of tempering chocolate. This process involves carefully heating and cooling chocolate to give it a shiny, smooth finish. It might sound intimidating, but with a little patience, you can create professional quality chocolate creations right in your home kitchen. And let's not forget about homemade pasta. There's nothing quite like the taste and texture of fresh pasta, and making it yourself adds a personal touch to your dish. It's a craft, a labor of love that truly elevates your culinary prowess. As you explore these techniques, remember to challenge yourself, push your boundaries, experiment with different ingredients and techniques. There's no one-size-fits-all recipe in the culinary world. It's about discovering what works for you and refining it. The culinary world is vast and full of exciting challenges. Be bold, be creative, and most importantly, have fun. Your kitchen is your playground. Now go forth and cook.